When it comes to smart tech, the Apple Watch is a leader in terms of innovation because it combines style and function so well. A lot of people know about the Apple Watch's basic features, like tracking your health and sending you notifications. But there are some lesser-known gems that really make it stand out. This video will talk about 5 unusual things your Apple Watch can do that show how flexible it is. The Apple Watch can do a lot of different things besides just telling time. We're going to talk about 5 cool things your Apple Watch can do that you might not know. 1. Use the Compass app. A compass is built into the Series 5 to power the Compass app. The Compass app is fun on its own, but it's really useful when you open Maps. Maps uses the compass to show you exactly which way you are looking. You no longer have to walk backwards for a few blocks after getting off the train. Not only does Yelp use the magnetometer to help you find your way, but so do Wikiloc, which helps you find hiking and biking paths. Be careful. If you use a watch band with a magnet, like the Milanese or leather loop, it might mess up the magnetic and send you in the wrong direction. 2. Monitoring an ECG. Did you know that your Apple Watch can be used to track your own electrocardiogram, ECG? This feature was added to the Apple Watch Series 4 and kept in later models. It lets users take an ECG right from their watch. Users can record their heart rhythm data and send it to their doctor by putting their finger on the digital crown. This feature has been very helpful for finding irregular heartbeats and possible heart problems, giving people the power to put their cardiovascular health first. 3. Use the Calculator app. With watchOS 6, the Apple Watch got a built-in calculator. The Calculator app can do basic math like adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying. It also has a tip button that can help people who aren't good at math. Type in the total amount of the bill, tap tip, and then pick the amount you want to leave. No more accidentally putting down a great service. 4. Alarm for falls. The Apple Watch's Alarm for Falls feature puts safety first. This technology uses a complex formula to figure out when a person has taken a big fall. It is designed to protect users' health. The watch will sound an alarm if it detects a hard fall. If the user doesn't answer, the watch can make an emergency call and send the user's position to emergency contacts. This function is especially helpful for older people or people with health problems because it adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind. 5. How to get past Mac and Safari passwords. Are you sick of typing in passwords? This is where the Apple Watch comes in handy. As long as your Mac has macOS Big Sur or later, you can use your Apple Watch to easily open it. The watch can also automatically fill in passwords in Safari on both your Mac and iPhone.